What's good, y'all? Money Mick, Bricks to Pips here. Quick recap of today, Monday, April 22nd. I took a quick sell. The market ended up going up crazy today. This is basically 4 minutes into the market. I had marked. This was yesterday's high basically, and this was like I was looking for a break of this wick right here. It ended up breaking this wick later on, broke this structure and just took off. But I already had made my trade, so I didn't even want to get back in. Honestly, like I'm trying to get used to just taking my trade, going, making my money, and then just staying out the market, not over trading. Basically, that's what I'm trying to get used to. Um, wait, what the heck is this? Give me a second. Some shit happened just now. Yo, why my joint been acting up, bro? I gotta get a new computer for real. Well, I fix this shit later. But anyway, I was looking for a break of the that wick. I was looking for a break of this wick, a break and a close up on the 160. I'm trying to get this video done quick because I'm watching the Nick game and it's halftime. So I'm trying to get this joint done quickly. I'm not even really prepared right now to be honest to do this, but yeah, trying to find some music play in the background. It's too quiet. But yeah, so I'm looking for a break. What the heck? Oh yeah. So I was looking for a break right here, or a break of this structure right here. This demand zone start closing and a breakdown. So I'm gonna forward this a little bit because the market was moving a little slow, a little choppy in the beginning. It was just chop. But now once it was doing this, that it was trying to push and it was failing, I'm looking for sales now, to be honest. So that's what I was looking for at that particular moment. I'm looking for sales. Took a while for this market to develop. All right, so it started breaking, but then it pushed back down and closed. That's why I didn't jump in. See? So I marked that was that wick it created. I marked it because now I'm looking at the 40 and the 80 range to see if it starts breaking above this that wick that it had created. That's how I've been trading last couple of days because it's been real choppy the market. So now it made that wick, but it's not pushing back up. So I'm not really on the buys right now. All right, so it failed. It's pushing down. So now I gotta start seeing if it clears all this, cause all this is just traffic basically. All this, it gotta clear this and starts clearing under these. You know what I mean? The 50 and the 200. I'm not taking nothing right there. See, this is how it act. That all that I was showing you. This is what it looks like on the 160. It's really nothing. So it's just still there, chopping, chopping, chopping. It was just, it's crazy though, cause it dropped and then it just took off. I took a couple buys later on. I'm not even gonna lie. I took a couple buys, some quick buys, but nothing crazy. I didn't record it because I already had stopped recording, but I seen the opportunity. I took like two buys, got in, got out real fast. I just don't trust the market right now. Honestly, it's just been choppy to me. You know what I mean? I don't. I like I said. The way the Apex funded trader work, I can't afford the way the market's been moving. I can't afford to stay in a trade long because I'll go up quickly. I'll go up 600, $1,000, but then the retracement on the market been crazy. So I can't afford a break even trade on Apex because a break even trade, like if you went up on Apex on a certain trade, say for instance I went up 500 and I bring my stop loss to break even, and it actually wakes up to break even though I broke even, that's a loss on the daily on the daily I forgot what they call it, but daily unrealized profits basically, which is a very dangerous thing if you don't know, if you're not accustomed to trading like that, or if you don't really know what is really like how to really control that, or how to really get in the trade, take your profit and get out, you will blow up your account without even having a real negative trade, which is crazy. But yeah, so now, right, I'm drawing a trend line right now. What's up, bro? So I drew that trend line, which is that red line right here. So now it just formed. I just formed basically these 2 points. Boom, boom, touch. So now I'm looking for a break with the 160 range, because since it failed to close above the 50 SMA, it just wicked up and came back down. Then it created another bearish 160. I'm looking for a break of this structure and to get in. But let me forward this a little bit. Can't be doing this video too long, for real. And look, I'm doing the same thing on the 80 range. Look at this shit, bro. Yeah. So this is all this 40 right here. There's basically this 80 range. So this line right here is basically the bottom of this wick that's forming. Right? So I'm looking at this right here now. I'm looking at this formation. Because if I'm gonna take shorts, it's gonna have to break out of here, start breaking these structures, and I didn't even get a lot of points out of this. I probably got like 100 pips. That's it. I went in, got out. I wasn't even trying to play with the market like that, man. I honestly don't be ain't trusting it right now. So look, it's breaking that structure. So I'm looking at, you seen those wicks right here that was there. I'm aiming at that. So I didn't get in here. You know what I mean? I'm not getting it because it didn't close under this. This is just a new way I'm trading because of the way the market's setting up. You know what I mean? The way the market's been setting up is been like the way I trade. It's been breaking zones, but it doesn't follow through. It'll pull back a lot and then come back down. So the way I'm controlling, I'm doing my risk management is on the 40 range. You know what I mean? I'm looking at that. So I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for this to close under the 200 and basically break out this little zone. You know, just be patient. Be patient and take your money. That's all I'm looking for. I'm being patient to take my money. Like all of this, I'm already almost an hour in. I didn't even take a trade yet. Waiting for this close right here. Just being, I'm just being patient and waiting for my confirmations. That's all I'm doing. Playing tight stop losses. I'm in. I'm in on both. Look, I was patient and it's starting to give me my confirmation, and I'm playing it close. I'm playing this close. I'm playing like, look, if this candle turns finish bullish, I'm out. On the 40, I'm out. But since it gave me a confirmation and push, all right, I'm gonna stay in now. So I was aiming for about, what's that, 26 points or about 100 pips. I'm not sure. I don't remember if I added to this position. So I'm about to add to this position. Once it breaks under that line, that little zone I drew. Once it breaks and close, I'm adding. It was fighting in that little zone. I added. could have held, I could have held to the my regular take profit, but I don't like that hesitation. You know what I mean? But you know what I mean? Quick thousand and some change right there. But anyway, money make bricks to pips. That was a quick scout. 100 pips. I ended up making about 200 pips to be honest today. That's what I ended up making. The other two was buys. I didn't record that because I already had shut off the camera. But yeah, bricks to pips, range bars, you already know. If y'all trying to learn the strategy, holla. You know what I mean? I wouldn't mind putting people onto game. I want everybody to win basically. I want everybody to make money, man. So tomorrow, hopefully, the market is good again. It was good. The market was good today. It moved. That's the good thing. It moved. The bad thing is that it's choppy and the the basically the pullbacks are crazy. I'm talking about 150 point pullbacks the last 3 4 days, man. It's just been crazy. It'll pull back 100 points, 120 points, and come right back. It's just crazy. So, be careful. Cause if you trading in the middle of these ranges, you don't want this shit to pull back and then you in drawdown for a bunch of points. That's why me personally, I'll take a L. You know what I mean? I'll take a L. I told y'all what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the 40 range. If I get in on a break on the 40 range, watching my 80 and my 160, I use the 40 range to get in, right? If that 40 range breaks with the structures, the little lines I'm drawing, if it breaks and closes and I get in, and for some reason the very next 40 range is the opposite way, I get out. That's about 8 point loss. I don't care. I'll take that loss, draw a line right again on the next level, and if it breaks and closes, I jump back in. Some people might not want to trade that way. I'm trading like that way because I'm controlling my stop loss. One, right, and two, you seen that the way I get in, and then I wait. I might wait on a little pullback on that little structure that's formed. I might wait on a little pullback, and when it breaks again, I'll add, and I'm gonna get 25, 30 points, 40 points. I could have gotten, honestly, that trade I got out, I could have gotten about 30 something to 40 points, which is 120 something pips. But I aimed for that 200 to 195 area. That's where it went. That's where it went to, and it pulled back up. But then it came back down. Then it just ran back up. Anyway, breaks the pips. Let's watch this New York Knicks game. Everybody, hope y'all having a good beginning of the week. I'm gonna post this up in a few. Holla at your boy.